Hello, Judd at the Ultimate Cleaning Company. This is Joel from JND SEO. I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can improve your website and beat some of your competition online. All right, so at the end of the video, if you have any questions, you could feel free to ask them and I'll give you guys some more information or answer those questions for you. If not, I'm going to give you a bunch of free tips and strategies in here so you can actually go ahead and use them right on your website. 3 things we'll talk about today: content, backlinks, and citations. And I'm going to start out with content. As you can see, I'm on your home page. Now, you guys don't have too much content on your page. What we're really looking for is this. I know you guys have your mission company profile on here, and you got a nice call out here with $100 off. But what Google really wants, you guys obviously have under 100 words here, but Google's looking for about 1,500 words of content on your home page. So adding a lot more content would definitely help you guys to rank higher with Google searches. Now, I'm also going to show you the maids here, the maids Worcester, because if we do a search on cleaning services Worcester MA, we're going to find the top organic result is going to be the maids. So I'm going to show you them because they're the top company showing up in the organic results right now. And if we look at their site, it looks really professional. They're going to have a good amount of content. I already know they have about 800 words of content on their page. So really they don't have the 1,500 that Google prefers to see, and that's what they're going to optimize your site and rank it even higher. So the fact that they don't have that's a good thing, which means you guys could add a lot more content and still get ahead of them. But we don't just want content. We want to make sure we have keywords into it. So keywords are just groups of words or phrases that people frequently search on Google. And you want to find the ones that are most frequently found, because those are the ones you want to make sure are on your page. So when they search them, they're going to find you. All right, so this one alone, we know 90 people search this every single month, cleaning services Worcester MA. There's 3 ways to get on the first page for Google, and that's really where all of the traffic comes from. So the first thing is to pay for ads, which some companies up here are doing. The second way to get on this page is through the GMB or Google My Business or Map Pack section. Top 3 companies up in here show up here based on citations. The rest are in the view all, but the top 3 show up on the main search page. So they're going to get a lot of visibility and a lot of phone calls from that. And then you're going to have the organic section where you're going to have 10 results showing up on the first page. And then at the very bottom, you'll see some more ads as well. Now, this is true with any Google search where you're going to find 10 results showing up in the organic section. So in addition to having your 1,500 words of content, which Google prefers that and wants you to have, and having your keywords in that content so you can be found in searches like cleaning services Worcester MA, Google also wants to know they can trust your site, right? So your trust is actually with this UR wheel here, and the DR is your power behind your site. Now, I've taken your site, theultimatecleaningcompany.com, put it into a program called Eris that I pay for. It just allows me to see how your site's performing. And I can see right away, you guys do have the word home on your page as a header, but you'd probably want to have like your business name, the Ultimate Cleaning Company, or you can even put a keyword, cleaning Worcester or something like that, or cleaning services Worcester MA. Something like that would help you a little more because this will allow Google to find you a little bit easier. Now, your trust data really isn't showing up here. And we can see your power is actually still at a 0. Now, backlinks and referring domains are what really help with that. And right now you have 1 backlink on 1 referring domain. A referring domain is just a website that's linked to yours, and it's linked to it through the backlink, which is on the referring domain. An example would be like a Facebook business page. If you guys have one of those, that would be a referring domain, and where you put your web address on your Facebook page, that would be your backlink. When you click the backlink, it's going to redirect to your site. Just like if I click this link here, it's going to do the same thing. So the one link pointing back to you guys, we can see it's actually not a strong one. If it was, it would show up here. So that's the reason why you guys don't really have any trust with Google right now. But you guys do still have 2 keywords you are being found in searches for, and that's bringing you 2 visitors to your website per month. So if we hop over to the maids, we can see they have their headers at the top of their page. They have their company name as well as a keyword, Cleaning Company Worcester, which is a good one. They have 709 backlinks on 109 referring domains, with 109 websites pointing back to them, giving them trust. 31 of the 109 are strong, so actually a pretty low percentage, under 30% there. But they still have a 26 of trust here. This goes to 100, both of these do. You can see their power is pretty low though. But with 26 trust, they still have 454 keyword searches they can be found for on Google. and they're bringing in about 196 actual visitors to their website every month. So with 100 visitors, typically that's about 100 100 visitors to your site would probably equal between 20 to 30 phone calls on the very, very conservative side. So depending on how many jobs that would equal for you guys, what your conversion rates are, that's going to vary per company, of course. Now, with referring domains, we can actually find the websites, because you're probably thinking, how do we get so many, right? We can find all their 31 strongest ones. Those are the ones we're really interested in. And a lot of these we can go and join and get these same referring domains and links back to your site that they have. And if it works for them, there's no reason why it wouldn't work for you. Some of them you just have to create a profile for. Sometimes you do have to sign up for them. And you can get those same referring domains and backlinks to help build your trust as well. All right, so then the other way that we could do it, of course, is through citations in the map section or GMB Google My Business. Only the top 3 show up in this preview window, so that's really where you want to be. But the way to get up here is through citations, and that's getting your business name, address, and phone number all listed into directory sites or social media sites. So Home Advisor, Better Business Bureau, Yelp, for social media, LinkedIn, Instagram, all of those. And getting those in there, and they're going to get a lot of direct phone calls if people going to their sites and then calling them. And the last option is to pay for ads. All right, hopefully this was helpful for you guys and you picked up a few tips. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll give you guys a call anyway just to ask what you thought of the video. But thank you for your time and have a great day.